Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you a simple node setup using Spherechalk add-on in Blender to generate basically instance of objects with a color sampled from image UV. All right. So this is probably I've been done something similar in the past, but this is a quick update. It's so much simpler and actually faster to do today. So you can see this is like 5,000 boxes that's been instanced, and with the color, I'm using Vertex Color. That's actually really fast these days. We have 5,000 boxes, and the way I worked and created this, first I create a plane. So this plane is something that's where I'm gonna scatter points on. So and then I use these random points on mesh to place the points on this surface, on the plane, and then I instance a bunch of objects. So this is this guy over here. The one that's interesting is here is sample UV color, and I use this list repeater and list join also to colorize and give vertex color into this single objects. So in Blender, if it's a single objects, it's actually fast. So you don't need to worry about using dupli or instance or particles. This is an actual mesh. Okay, so it's already something that can be baked. So 5,000 objects. If we use randomize here to randomize the points, that's it's sampling the data from, we can actually blur the UV. So it's actually really neat setup. The one that's really doing the hard job is this sample UV color, and it's sampling the color from this guy, and it's actually not just 2D UV, I think it's actually 3D. So in the future I will try to do the same with point clouds, so we can easily turn it into mesh that we can bake. So that's pretty much it. This box is actually has been subdivided. So this is the original one. It looks like a painting because they're overlapping. But like I said, if you randomize this, you can sort of blur. So this is randomizing the box and it's blurring the color. Maybe you don't want to do it too much, just a little bit, maybe even just in the z-axis. It's kind of nice, I guess. Yeah, so this is using the UV. Make sure the image is actually square. If it's a different dimension, it might not work as you like. The only thing that's here, we have 3 objects because I normally, with these objects that I created in Spherechalk, it usually doesn't have UV, so I duplicate it, and here I create the UV. I lay out the UV, and I use the image here from Unsplash just to colorize and give this result. Alright, so hopefully you'll find this interesting. Give it a try yourself. I tried it with 500,000, actually with 100,000 objects, still gonna work pretty fast. So yeah, hopefully this is useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.